Italy is an important country for life science and biotechnology. It's one of the top locations in the world for the life science jobs. It's at the top in Europe for production value in the pharma sector. It's one of the most prominent European countries in R&D in different fields. It's not strange, therefore, that many multinationals of the sector have production or R&D activity in our country. In the following presentation, we'll underline some pinpoints on, first, why you should evaluate Italy in your investment plan. Second, what kind of support you could receive whenever you decide to invest in Italy. And third, what are the opportunities and the players from the Italian market that you could meet at this BioDigital 2020. According to the Ati Kearney FDI Confidence Index 2019, Italy is one of the top 8 most attractive countries for multinational companies. Even if COVID-19 has changed the attitude to invest of many companies, the reason why multinationals look at our country is still valid. High quality of the production, high quality of the human resources and specifically of the researchers, a strong logistic platform and a strategic position will continue to be the main drivers for investment in Italy. The life science sector in Italy accounts for more than 10% of one of the top 10 GDP in the world. Italy is the European leading country in the pharma production value. It has one of the most prominent biomedical clusters in the world, as is the well-known Mirandola district. The capability of our researchers in the biotechnology segments are well recognized. Moreover, Italy is also an accessible platform for exporters. 80% of the pharma production manufactured in Italy is exported abroad. In the last 10 years, no other European country has seen the same export growth rates. Thanks to the constant investment on production lines and new technologies, Italy is attractive for new productions. Almost 25% of the European pharma CDMO manufacturing value is produced in Italy. The quality of Italian R&D is also very high. Biotech, vaccines, advanced therapies find Italy as a perfect location. Moreover, in the last 5 years, no other European country has seen an increase in pharma R&D as Italy did. The quality of human resource is very high, but the cost is very competitive comparing to other European countries. And the number of qualified human resources employed in the sector is growing and growing, thanks also to the multinational companies. All those competitive advantages, in fact, are very clear to foreign companies that are investing in Italy also for the excellence of upstream sector and for an interesting market size. And last but not least, the quality of life makes the manager happy to come to Italy every time they need. 60% of the Italian companies in the life science sector are foreign owned, almost half of them by US companies. The picture shows just some of the main companies investing in Italy. Do you want to be the next one? Whenever you decide to invest in Italy, the Italian ecosystem supports your investment plan both at national and regional level. The Invest in Italy team, a joint venture between the Italian Trade Agency and Invitalia, will support your project through all the investment process. The most important projects are followed by a Ministry Committee for the Attraction and Foreign Investments that involves the Ministry of Economic Development, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Ministry of Economy, and the Ministry of Public Administration. Moreover, in order to better support the projects, Invest in Italy is coordinated with regional and local authorities, associations, and other national or regional authorities. The Italian Trade Agency has more than 70 offices around the world. In 20 of them, we have managers fully dedicated to take care of foreign companies. Therefore, whenever you can contact directly the Italian Trade Agency office in your country. Along with our partners, we provide a mix of concrete opportunities of investment and useful services for free. We have technological and manufacturing projects, both in life science and biotechnology. We can find out greenfield and brownfield areas. In our portfolio, we collect capital-seeking projects and companies. And in order to better define your investment plan, we help in the analysis of incentives, of the sectorial competitive advantages, and of the cost of drill downs. Invest in Italy is then a one-stop shop offering a wide range of free of charge services. We could support you through all the investment process: business planning, location scouting, setup of the company, authorization and visa permits, HR recruitments. Moreover, Invest in Italy coordinates regional authorities which can also support foreign investors with local services, such as subsidized industrial area scouting, administrative and bureaucracy issues, connection and partnership with local stakeholders. Even if the main reason why foreign companies are looking to Italy are not incentives, on some specific topics and in some specific areas there are very competitive incentives and fiscal benefits. For example, for large investments, in area of industrial crisis, for R&D investments, Industry 4.0 incentives, innovative startups and SMEs, offering both direct incentives and fiscal benefits. These charts offer a simulation of how much the different instruments can provide to a medium enterprise. Up to 30% on industrial investment, up to 50% on R&D, and different tax credits that could be added to direct incentives. You can look at the chart, but our team in Rome can provide a tailor-made support for your company in better understanding the incentive schemes. Finally, what you could find at the Bio 2020 for our Italian market. Among the life science opportunity in some Italian regional cluster and the companies that you could meet, we would like just to underline some area. On north, you can find the Milan Innovation District in Lombardy, or projects including those aiming to COVID-19 treatment and prevention in Friuli Venezia Giulia and in Piedmont. Tuscany hosts TLS, a remarkable science park specialized in vaccines and home to one of the global R&D centers of GSK, engaged in vaccines research. The Regenerative Medicine Innovation Hub and the Big Data Technopole in Emilia-Romagna. 6 fund-seeking digital investment projects in Lazio. Several anti-COVID-19 innovative solutions in Apulia. Discovering the Italian ecosystem, you could find more and more opportunities provided by Italian company and cluster. Therefore, please, meet the Italian life science player Bio 2020 and invest in Italy.